When you access Managebac as a parent or a student, you will immediately go into the dashboard. You will see a calendar where you can identify tasks that are due on different days. If you hover over the little eye icon, you will see the details for the task. Moving down the page, a list of upcoming events or deadlines. Those are the ones that are most recent. As you move further down, you will see the latest activity for the different lessons. That means you can see, for example, if a message has been posted, by who and when, and if there is a task being posted, by who and when. You can access any of those messages or the tasks by clicking on the title. To access different classes, you can do so on the left-hand side, either through classes or through the timetable. We are sticking to the timetable as far as lessons go while we're at home. Click on the lesson you wish to look at. You will see you have the calendar for tasks and messages and the activities. Across the top, you have got different tabs. You can see tasks, you can see units. You can click on the messages to see the last things that have been posted. And if you click on files, you will see all of the resources that are linked to this class.